Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to resolve issue with the Chase app if you can't log in into your account. Solution 1. Verify your internet connection. One possible reason you are having trouble logging in could be a connectivity problem. First, check that your internet connection is reliable and stable. You can do this by opening another app that requires internet to see if it's functioning correctly. Additionally, try toggling between Wi-Fi and mobile data, as this might help you access the Chase mobile app. Solution 2. Update the Chase mobile app. If it doesn't work, ensure you have the latest version of the app. Open the App Store, tap the search icon, and look for Chase. If there's an update button next to the app name, go ahead and tap it to get the most recent version. Solution 3. Clear the Chase app cache. If updating the app doesn't resolve this issue, you can try clearing its cache. Go to your device settings and locate the Chase app and choose Offload app. Confirm this action, and once it's done, you'll see an option to reinstall the app. Just tap that. Solution 4. Reinstall the Chase mobile app. If none of this previous solution worked, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app. Navigate to the app page, tap Delete app to remove it from your device, then go back to the App Store, search for Chase mobile app, and click the Get button to reinstall it. And that's how you can fix the Chase app if it's preventing you from logging into your account. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.